If you want to browse privately in Opera GX, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open incognito mode in Opera GX, which is called a private window. This is useful when you want to browse without saving your history, cookies, or temporary site data, and it's a simple feature that takes just a few seconds to use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. The fastest way to open a private window in Opera GX is with a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and N at the same time. As soon as you do that, Opera GX will open a new private window for you. This is the quickest method if you want to get into private browsing immediately without clicking through menus. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is usually Command, Shift, and N instead, but for most Windows users, Ctrl, Shift, and N is the one you'll want. Once the private window opens, you'll know you're in the right place because Opera GX will clearly show that you're browsing privately. From here, you can search the web, visit websites, and do your normal browsing, but your browsing activity won't be saved in the usual way on your device after you close the window. Now, if you prefer using your mouse instead of a keyboard shortcut, Opera GX also makes that easy. Look to the top left corner of the browser and click the red Opera GX logo, which is the big O button. This opens the main browser menu. In that drop-down list, click New Private Window. Opera GX will then open a private browsing window for you right away. This is a great option if you're not comfortable with shortcuts or if you just want to use the menu for navigation. So again, you have two simple ways to go incognito in Opera GX. You can use Ctrl, Shift, and N for the fastest method, or you can click the Opera GX menu and select New Private Window. Either way gets you into private browsing in just a moment. A quick tip. Private mode is great for keeping local browsing data separate, but it does not make you completely invisible online. Websites, your internet provider, and your network administrator may still be able to see activity depending on the situation. So use it for privacy on your device, but always keep that in mind. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick browser tutorials, app tips, and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.